Main Street, through their experience, has gone through a learning process. At defining this, as we define these 4 points, we also have learned that there are important principles to consider in downtown revitalization and in commercial district revitalization. And these principles are guiding forces for Main Street efforts. The first one is that Main Street believes that commercial district revitalization does not have a single focus. It needs to be a comprehensive approach. It needs to be mindful of all those 4 areas, not one only, not a single focus, but 4. Incremental. We believe that as much as we want to do much for our districts, we need to start with the projects that we can handle. And then from smaller projects comes and builds motivation to get in and develop bigger projects. And then also, a very important, we believe that Main Street is a self-help project and program. That means that the communities drive the efforts. Our communities need to decide what they want and then be the force driving the efforts to make it happen. So Main Street in the United States believe that this is a principle driven by communities and their population, their residents, their property owners, their businesses, and of course their government officials and all those involved in leading the communities. Private and public effort. Main Street believes that this is not a technique or a methodology to be defined just by government. We are strong partners with government in what the future of our communities are going to look like. And I believe that is a very effective tool for many efforts to come together. In addition to that, Main Street believes in using the existing assets to capitalize and maximize your future, believing that what we have right now and utilizing that is the best tool in reaching more and additional tools to help us be successful. In addition to that, as much as we want to do much in implementing quality to our projects, in many cases we are focused on doing so much, but Main Street believes that whatever we do needs to have the quality to motivate people to do more. And change, the number 7 that you see there, the number 7 principle is a principle that not everybody welcomes. Change is something that happens to us regardless of whether we want it or not. So why don't we make it a tool so that we get what we want out of change? And that is a principle in Main Street. And of course, as much as we have meetings and we provide input and share input, Main Street is about implementing what we say we want and making it happen through projects and organized tasks. To become a Main Street community in the United States, you have to follow a number of steps. But we at the National Main Street Center have defined a minimum criteria that we call the 10-point criteria for communities to become designated as a Main Street program. And that criteria is outlined in 10 points. And every year, we go to that community through our partners at the state level or directly through the services that the center provides and conduct what we call the program annual review to see if the programs have been following this criteria and then continuing to be designated as a Main Street program. In this process, we take a look at the community having a broad-based level of support. We want to see property owners, business owners, resident and government representatives in the boards and committees of these local programs. And that is through that number 1. And then as we see an organization formed for each town, which can be initiated or can be taken by an existing organization if they are committed to following the approach. And we take a look at whether they have defined a vision and a mission statement. The vision is what they want for their downtown or commercial district. And the mission is what the organization is going to do to make that happen. Number 3, we take a look at having a comprehensive work plan. As much as it's good in having ideas, we want the organizations to outline the number of things that they want happen throughout the year, and then decide specific tasks and timelines and stewardship on how those things are going to happen. The 4th element of that is historic preservation ethic. For us in America, with the history of many towns that goes back to the times when they were colonized by the Europeans or by the Latin Americans, we take a look at their historic character, whether they have the historic building stock or the character to become a main street, and the commitment to preserving those historic assets and utilizing them to provide a support to economic development. In addition to that, we promote that the organizations have active committees and boards to lead those efforts. And with that the organizations must have an adequate operating budget. That this budget needs to be, again, a partnership built between government and business and property owners that come together. And in many cases, residents that come together by supporting the local program through membership campaigns and so forth. A paid professional program director. Each commercial district in the United States that wants to be a Main Street program must have professional staff to manage and operate the Main Street program. And ongoing staff and volunteers will be trained by the Main Street Center and our partner consultants on an ongoing basis as a support to their efforts. In addition to that, every year we ask the programs to maintain a record of their statistics and their program. In other words, we ask, how many new businesses do you have or have you opened this year? How many new jobs, part-time, full-times? How many buildings have been renovated? How many in many other areas as well? And the programs keep track of their progress, because that helps us as the National Center to advocate for them, to bring more resources to them. Communities that are able to show their progress are able to receive more resources.